welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscriber button and grow with me. Today I have something very exciting. We are going to Makola. I'm in Makola. As you can see, it's hot right now. I'm sweating. But Makola is a market found in Accra, a very beautiful place with vendors that sell all kinds of stuff. So we are going around to show you what you can get in Makola. Come along and see what you can get.
Are you gonna buy chicken?
No. So guys, we're on our way to buy food stuff. Mainly like ingredients I can use to prepare a Zambian dish. And I'm hopeful I can get this here in Accra. So I'm getting maize meal to make inshima. Inshima is a Zambian dish. So we're getting maize meal to do some good inshima. Is it millet? I like my food with pepper. The pepper makes me sweat and makes like mucus come up from my nose and my eyes are watering. That's what makes the food nice.
Wow.
Very hot pepper.
Wow. You don't get
It's good for the body. If I learned if you want to lose weight, take a lot of spicy food. It helps to burn the calories.
Hey.
You eat spicy food, you make fine.
You make fine, eh?
Ah, you make fine, sweet. Your body makes soft, soft, sweet, fine. Wow.
I got maize meal, which we're going to use for inshima. We have our beans so far. Now we have to find vegetables to add to our meal because, you know, we have to be healthy, a well-balanced diet. So right now we're going to look for sweet potato leaves or rape. Rape is like kale leaves or cabbage. So that's what we're looking for right now. We are done with the inshima and the beans. This is abedu. It is used as a spice, so people add it to their light soup. And it gives you a lot of blood if you are anemic, right? And you take this, it gives you blood. It's really good for that. So abedu, buy some, it's good for you. And then we have contumely leaves. Yes, contumely leaves. Oh my god, if you cook it with yam, fresh soft yam, it's really good. Yeah. Oh, stop. And then we have pear, avocado pear. We're looking for the sweet potato leaves. We need that. That's like a special Zambian ingredient. When you eat it, you never go back. Like, it's delicious, very delicious.
If you don't get the sweet potato leaf, what else can you use in place of that?
Then I can use cabbage. You can use garden eggs as well, but I don't eat garden eggs, so I can't try that. Yes, so let's hope and pray we get sweet potato leaves. You can also use okra, right?
Okay.
In Zambia, it's called delele.
Okay.
So we use soda to make delele, and then we have it with our inshima. And then I can have it with beans as well, and maybe chicken stew or meat stew.
Okay.
So I personally want to eat the sweet potato leaves because I've not had it for a very long time. So I'm like trying my luck for it. We are moving all around just looking for sweet potato leaves. I don't understand why Ghanaians don't really eat that vegetable. Like, it tastes so good. Ghanaians, why? Every day consume it. Oh no. ice ginger drink, right? Yeah. And sobolo. I like the way the ice is. So I need something to refresh me because just because of sweet potato leaves, we have walked round.